Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. It is quite difficult to stitch the corners of the fabric. So in this video, we're going to learn how you can do it easily at home. So we're going to stitch this brown color of fabric, fold it and draw a line. Now cut the extra part using scissors. Gently flip the fabric like this and the corner is ready. You can press it like this and it's done. In this video, we're going to learn how you can put the chain inside the fabric. We're going to stitch this pink color of chain on the top of the fabric in a straight line. Now flip it and put another fabric on the other side of the chain and stitch it as well in a straight line. Look how we are doing here in this video. After stitching from both the ends, we are going to open it like this. Now fold it from this side as well. Look how we are doing here and hold the zip like this. Stitch it, look how we are doing here, leaving the center portion open, and look, you will get a fabric like this. Open it from the other side. As you can see, there is a space. Now we are going to fix it from this side of the fabric as well. So you can open the chain and look it, and we're going to stitch the chain on the top of the side as well. Open it and look, it's done. In this video, we're going to put the zip on the top of this fabric. These type of designs are perfect for making sweatshirts or any top. We are going to learn how you can put the zip on the top of the fabric for the neck design. First, you can cut the fabric like this from the top portion, and as you can see, we are going to stitch one side of the zip in a straight line. After stitching one side of the zip, we are going to close it and mark line, as you can see, using a chalk. Now fold the zip, make two folds and stitch the other part of the zip as well. Hold it from the side like we are doing here in this video, and look, it's done. Now we are going to fold the fabric from top portion as well and hold the zip and stitch it in a straight line. This is the neck portion. So fold it again from the side and flip the zip, and look, it's done. Two different color of fabrics are trending nowadays, so let's learn how you can stitch both of them together, leaving a small portion open. These are for the side. You can make a sweatshirt or sweaters using this method. So let's get started. First, as you can see, we are going to take one fabric, the brown one, and stitch it in a straight line, and then take this orange one, fold the fabric and stitch it as well from the corner. Now flip both of them like this and the corner is done. Now put both of them together, one over another, overlapping each other, and stitch it in a straight line, as you can see, leaving a small portion open. After this, we are going to stitch the rest of the fabric in a straight line. Look how we are doing here. As you can see, there is a V cut in the center of both the fabric. We are not going to stitch them. Now we are stitching it the other side as well, the orange one, and look, it is done. Thank you so much for watching this video.